Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk on the topic aspects of colonial rule, which includes the main land revenue systems during British rule, which are Zamindari, Rayotwari and Mahalwari system. There are two aspects for colonial rule in India. The first aspect is that Britishers, after attaining superiority or control over India, they learned about the regions of India and learning practice made the process of expansion easy for them. And the second aspect is that the Britishers ruled India according to the changing needs of Britain or society of Britain. They used India as a source of raw materials for production in Britain and also as a selling market for their manufactured products from Britain. The changes in situations or the dynamics of British society or the social and economic changes in Britain directly influenced British colonial policies in India. Land revenue system. Tax from land were the major source of revenue for kings or rulers, and there are mainly they used to collect taxes mainly through three land revenue systems. They were Zamindari system, Rayotwari system and Mahalwari system. Land revenue system in British India. The disintegration of Mughal Empire, the gradual conquest of East India Company and the desire of the British to extract maximum land revenue from India. Now let's move on to the land revenue systems. Zamindari system. The system was introduced by Lord Cornwallis in 1793 through Permanent Settlement Act. This created a class of zamindars who became landlords in perpetuity. The land revenue was fixed on permanent basis and the zamindars became intermediaries between the rulers and the peasantry. The system was introduced in provinces of Bengal, Bihar, Orissa and Varanasi. The system was also known as Permanent Settlement Act. Zamindars were recognized as owner of the lands. They were given the right to collect the rent from the peasants. The realized amount would be divided into 11 parts, that is 1 by 11 of the share belongs to zamindars and 10 by 11 of the share belongs to East India Company. Rayotwari system. The system was introduced by Thomas Munro in 1820. Major areas of the system includes Madras, Bombay, parts of Assam and Coorg, provinces of British India. In this system, the ownership rights were handed over to the peasants, and the system had two main features. First one, the government and the cultivators would have direct relationship and land revenue will be settled directly between the two without any intermediary. Second one, unlike the system of Lord Cornwallis, Munro's system was based on periodical reassessment of land revenue. British government collected taxes directly from the peasants. The revenue rates of Rayotwari system were 50% where the lands were dry and 60% in irrigated land. Mahalwari system. The system was introduced in 1833 during the period of William Bentinck. It was introduced in Central Province, Northwest Frontier, Agra, Punjab, Gangetic Valley, etc. of British India. The Mahalwari system had many provisions of both the Zamindari system and Rayotwari system. In this system, the land was divided into mahals. Each mahal comprises one or more villages. Ownership rights were vested with the peasants. The villages committee was held responsible for collection of the taxes. Conclusion. These three systems led to destruction of agriculture and raw people's cash. The purpose of the British was to plunder everything that could be plundered from India, and at the same time their aim was to overthrow the existing tax system in India and to commercialize agriculture.